Hi, I'm Carrie White and I'm one of the co-founders for Haven Pods. They're a glass building, floor to ceiling, and they're made with structural glazing, structural insul panel, floors, walls and ceilings, and they're super thermally efficient and really good for Australian conditions and really good in summer. The privacy one-way glass works really well. As you can see behind me here, from the inside you can see everything that's happening outside in your environment and the nature, but from the outside you can't see looking in. This does change at night time, but that can be easily fixed with curtains or landscape lighting. These are delivered turnkey, so basically they already have the plumbing, the electrical, all of the bathroom facilities are already set up, so when they land on your site they basically need a local plumber and electrician to connect them up and you're ready to go. So turnaround time on the pods, depending on the complexity of what you need, a shell is less than 6 weeks. We do have units in stock as well for people if they're wanting something straight away, or for a more luxury designed escape like what we have in the background, you're looking at 9 weeks. We have 3 models to choose from. One's called the Rebel, the Mini, and behind me is the Escape. So that dictates whether it's a 1-bedroom or a 2-bedroom and how long the units are. One of the unique points of difference of these luxury pods is the handcrafted nature of all the finishings. So we source all of our timber, bench tops and vanities from a local mill in Modular. We don't import anything from offshore suppliers. The most popular use to date has been for Airbnb, but what we're finding is more and more people are finding different uses for them, from pool rooms through to detached dwellings, right through into resorts. So it's really cool, it's really interesting what people have got to offer. Starting price for these units is cheaper than you realise, $69K, starting with the Rebel, moving through to the Mini, through to the Escape. Depending on the level of fit out you require, the turnkey Escape from us, which is our flagship model, is $235, turnkey delivered to your site. If you're looking for more information or you've got a really cool project you'd like to find out more about, contact us on 1300 230 456 or get in touch through havenpods.com.au, fill out the contact form.